Hello everyone, Daniel Montes here with Southwest University Automotive and Diesel Technology programs. Here at Southwest University, our students receive hands-on training to better prepare them for a successful career in the industry. Behind me, you'll see a fleet vehicle in which our students gain hands-on training.
Stick it back in, give it a second, and then pull it back out and see where it's reading.
Oil change, a multi-point inspection, tire rotation, and several other routine maintenance services. All of the instructors here at Southwest University are overqualified and heavily certified.
Put that one in. Did somebody jump up here? Yeah, put the cap back on.
Every instructor here at Southwest University is committed to sharing their knowledge. We want to prepare our students to tackle all of the new technology with what you're going to be doing in the industry as a professional. It's for that reason why you see such a heavy one-on-one personal training that we give here at Southwest University. If you're ready to gain the skills and knowledge needed to become a successful industry technician in the automotive or the diesel technology field, Southwest University is the place to start.